Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to share with you how I made these really cute watermelon embellishments. I've been creating tags and stamping out your one in a melon, and the stamp set I used is from Paper Tray Ink, and it's called Fruit Fusion Melon Stamp Set. And you can stamp thanks a melon, thanks, and then the and melon if you wanted to do it that way, or your one in a melon. Okay, and then it has cute little watermelons on it, but I thought I would try my hand at making some simple embellishments. And I'm sorry if you guys hear that thunder and lightning, but it's been raining. It's our rainy season here in southern Florida, and you gotta just video when you can. So okay, let's get started. These are really, really easy. I used my stitched circle dies. So the larger one in green, your green circle, that measures 2.5 inches. And then the white measures 2 inches. And the pink, I used kind of like a hot pink, that measures 1.5. And then all you're gonna do, it's kind of like we layered these circle embellishments for candy corn. You're kind of gonna do the same thing. You want to get a lot of nice glue on here and center the white circle on top of the green. But it's kind of like when we made our candy corn embellishments and we put one circle on top of another. Okay, I'm just going to wipe off the excess and run my bone folder over it and smooth that out. And then we're going to layer the pink one on top of the white. And I'm making these tags, the little tags, to put on a little gift treat bag that I'm going to make in my next video. And I think I'm going to make it out of like this hot pink cardstock. So that's why I decided to do the watermelon embellishments. Okay, so for the half, it's pretty simple. You just want to cut your circle in half. You can put it in your cutter, or you can eyeball it like I am. And that's it. That's the half circle. Now, I made it look like somebody took a bite out of it with my scallop circle punch. So all I'm going to do is aim the pink, and I'm going to get this as close as I can so you guys can see what I'm doing, till the pink shows through a little bit in those 3 scallops right there. And punch. And that's what it looks like. And then all I did was take my black Sharpie pen and I drew some teardrop marks like that for the seeds. And then I'm going to color that in. Guess these are upside down teardrops, but they're in a teardrop shape. If you have a punch or you want to use your Cricut to actually paper piece the teardrops on or the seeds on, that would be really nice too. But I just wanted to make some quick, simple watermelon embellishments. And then for the tag one here, all I did was I took this circle, or this half piece, and I cut it in half again. And that just makes a little watermelon wedge. I'm going to go in with my scallop punch on the side of the wedge here. And I'm just going to get a couple scallop pieces, or some of the pink in the scallops, and punch again. Make a little bite mark. And again, I'm just going to draw a few teardrop shapes for the seeds. I think I'll put two little guys in the corners here. And you could use glitter cardstock, you know, whatever cardstock you want. It's entirely up to you. And then I have this jelly roll pen that just kind of puts a little sparkle. If you can see on this one, there's like a little bit of a sparkle on that. And I just went in and I colored over the teardrops just to add a little shimmer to the seeds. You can also use glitter glue if you wanted to do that. It's entirely up to you. So that's how I created my little watermelon embellishments. I will be back to share the little treat bag that I'm going to add this tag to. I thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.